Hello, this is Chris Roshnaut, 24K on Twitter. Today I'll be unboxing the Tarah Pro. This is wireless sport headphones. They offer up to 14 hours of charge, and it does a fast charge, so you can charge it very quickly. They're sweat and waterproof, and they have a different type of fit for your ears included. So we'll get to that right now in the unboxing. This is from Jaybird, the Tarah Pro from Jaybird. These are new. And here's the one side of the headphone right there, so you can switch out these fit ear gels if you'd like. 14 hours is very important. I go on trips commonly that are 6 or 7 hours, and my wireless headphones always die out, and then I have to recharge them. These will stay both ways. So here's the base of the headphones. There's your microphone there, plus and minus. Answer, there's your charge port right there. And inside here, Jaybird includes multiple ear gel pieces that you can switch up. So it's all one piece, so they won't come falling off one end. And then the charger piece comes with a little bag as well. Jaybird branding right there. And everything else is included, and here's the documentation. We like that it does the fast charging, because sometimes you only have a few minutes before you need to get on that plane or train or bus or whatever. Then you can charge it right in the terminal. So this is designed for athletes, but also for people that travel a long way and need more than a few hours of time for use. This is the Tarah Pro with 14 hours of battery life and fast charging technology. This is Chris Roshnaut, 24K on Twitter. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up.